The nervous system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that coordinates and controls the actions and responses of the body. It is responsible for the transmission of signals between different parts of the body, enabling communication and coordination. The nervous system is composed of two main components: the central nervous system CNS and the peripheral nervous system PNS. In this video, we will explore the structure and function of the nervous system in detail. The nervous system is made up of billions of specialized cells called neurons. Neurons are the basic building blocks of the nervous system and are responsible for transmitting electrical signals known as nerve impulses throughout the body. There are several types of neurons, including sensory neurons, motor neurons, and interneurons. Sensory neurons are responsible for collecting information from the external environment or internal body conditions. They can detect various stimuli such as light, sound, touch, temperature, and pain. These neurons transmit the sensory information to the CNS where it is processed and interpreted. Motor neurons, on the other hand, carry signals from the CNS to the muscles and glands, enabling voluntary and involuntary movements. Motor neurons control muscle contractions and are involved in activities such as walking, talking, and digestion. Interneurons, also known as association and relay neurons, are responsible for connecting sensory and motor neurons within the CNS. They process and integrate information from different parts of the body and help coordinate the appropriate response. Interneurons play a crucial role in complex cognitive processes such as thinking, memory, and decision making. The CNS consists of the brain and spinal cord, while the PNS includes all the nerves that extend from the CNS to the rest of the body. The brain is the command center of the nervous system and is responsible for processing and interpreting sensory information, initiating motor responses, and controlling various bodily functions. The spinal cord acts as a communication pathway between the brain and the PNS. It relays signals between the brain and the body and also coordinates reflex actions. Reflexes are rapid and involuntary responses to stimuli such as pulling your hand away from a hot object. The PNS is further divided into two subdivisions: the somatic nervous system SNS and the autonomic nervous system ANS. The SNS controls voluntary movements and sensory perception. It is responsible for activities such as walking, speaking, and writing. The ANS regulates involuntary bodily functions such as heart rate, blood pressure, digestion, and respiration. It is further divided into sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. The sympathetic nervous system prepares the body for action and is involved in the fight or flight response, while the parasympathetic nervous system promotes relaxation and restores the body to a resting state. In addition to neurons, the nervous system also contains specialized supporting cells called neuroglia or glial cells. These cells provide support, insulation, and nourishment to neurons. They also play a role in repairing damaged neurons and maintaining the homeostasis of the nervous system. The nervous system is a highly organized and interconnected network that enables the body to respond to changes in the environment, coordinate movements, and maintain internal balance. It is essential for various bodily functions, including sensory perception, motor control, cognition, and emotion. In conclusion, the nervous system is a vital system that controls and coordinates the actions and responses of the body. It is made up of neurons, which transmit electrical signals throughout the body, and glial cells, which provide support and nourishment. The nervous system is divided into the CNS and PNS, which work together to enable communication and coordination. Understanding the structure and function of the nervous system is crucial for understanding human behavior and health.